Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I hope you guys are doing well. I have some restock of Not Too Shabby stamps, and I have a new line in the shop, Catherine Pooler. So I grabbed her mini inks, her Black Midnight ink, the Black Midnight mini, and the Icing on the Cake mini stamps, and the smaller set here. So I'll go over all of these. I did restock this one. This one is our popular Happy Fall stamp set from last year. It sold out, and I never restocked it because it was just, the season was coming to an end, and I didn't want to restock it during the time when people started to buy like spring stamps. So I restocked it in time for fall, and it is a great set. You get a scarecrow with a cute little crow on its hat, and some nice images here for fall. So we've got a pumpkin spice latte, a pumpkin, a maple leaf, an acorn, a crow, a little smiley face that you can stamp on the pumpkin there. And then the sentiments: scarecrow kisses, happy fall, fall wishes, and happy pumpkin spice season. So it's a really, really cute set. And I did restock the Tea Time Buddies, so this one is back in stock as well. This one's super cute. You can use this one all year round. So our Tea Time Buddies is super, super fun. I love the sentiment: to my best tea, you're a sweet tea. And then we've got Tea Time, Tea Addict, and Merci. And then the Pup in a Cup. So this one is all restocked and ready to go. We've got some great hops coming up using the stamp sets. So I'm excited about that. Can't wait to see everyone's project. For the Catherine Pooler, I did grab this stamp. This is the Happy Butterflies stamp set. You can do some great ink blending with these. You can color them with Copic markers. There's some sentiments: thought of you today, so happy for you, miss you a lot, and glad we're friends. To go with these inks, I thought I'd grab a stencil. So this one I thought was really, really cool. Just to have a stenciled background. This is kind of just neutral, so I really like that. And this one is called, it doesn't have the name on the packaging, I don't think. Yes, it does. Off the Loom Stencil. For the Free with 60, this will pop into your cart once your order qualifies. Let's see. It's really pretty sequence mix. You get this reusable plastic jar that has a screw top. And you can see there's a bunch of fun goodies in there. And that one's called Mission. It's also available for purchase, and this one is available for purchase as well. This is the Big Sur. I thought I'd grab this one. Perfect for your beachy scenes. If you're making something with an ocean, it's just a perfect combo with that green and those blues. This is the Midnight Premium Archival ink. You can use this with alcohol and water-based markers. If you get this, it's a bundle. It comes with the re-inker, and then I will send this out with your order for the ink. It just gives you some tips on how to use the ink to get the best out of it. We've got the little mini pads here. So this is the Midnight, and then this one's the Icing on the Cake. There's a smaller set here. This one is the Party Collections foundations. So you get 4, and those colors are Rockin' Red, Grass Skirt, Orange Twist, and Fiesta Blue. And then we've got Party Collection Life of the Party. And these you get 8 really pretty colors. We've got Party Dress, Lime Ricky, Tutti Frutti, Aquatini, Tiki Torch, Something Borrowed, Tiara, and Flirty Fuchsia. And then this pack is called Party Collection Carnival. And we've got Be Mine, Mardi Gras, Samba, All That Jazz, Coral Cabana, Suede Shoes, Limoncello, and Grape Crush. So those are the new listings in the shop. If you guys have any preferences on what you want me to bring in from the Catherine Pooler line, let me know in the description box down below. And I will talk to you guys real soon. Thanks for shopping and stopping by and leaving me a comment. I really do appreciate that. And I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.